Hey guys, I hope everybody had an awesome 4th of July. I certainly had one of the best 4th of Julys that I've ever had. My best friend Kate invited me over to her house for the day, and it did not disappoint. $1,000 worth of fireworks. It was quite the show that they put on, and I was super excited to go over there. And it did not, like I said, did not disappoint. And because we live in Florida, Mother Nature figured that she would put on a show as well before the fireworks went off and sent some pretty nasty thunderstorms right through our area. We were kind of hoping that they would pass through before we shot off the fireworks, and thankfully they did. And once that was over, we all went out front and lit off those fireworks, and I'm going to show you those right now. I actually took a lot of slow motion video from my iPhone, which I love. I love doing slow-mo videos on my iPhone, and when you do them with fireworks, man, the images are just amazing. You just sit there and look on your phone and watch it, and it's like so pretty. So I'm going to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed the montage. I don't normally post videos back to back because I did post a video yesterday, but I figured because, 4th of July happened yesterday, and I wanted to share what happened and our experience and how amazing our 4th of July was. So enjoy the montage. I have another video in the works. It will be out on my normal Wednesday posting. I'm sticking to the Wednesday schedule. I post in between if I want to, but there will always be a video on Wednesday. So always check for a video on Wednesday, and then check for little surprise videos in between, because as things happen, I record things and I make videos because that's what I do, and I enjoy to do that, and I love to share it with you. So like I said, enjoy the montage. I'll see you on Wednesday. Have an awesome rest of your weekend and a fabulous rest of your July.